both irritates me a lot. दोनों मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा problem देते हैं. But still, I enjoy that problem and I enjoy to deal with it because अब वैसा ही bond हो गया है. अब we can't work normally कि हाँ चलो आए set पे मिले hi how are you. No, वो trouble आएगा ही आएगा, एक दूसरे को हम irritate करेंगे ही, परेशान करेंगे, and then only it will be normal for us.
There's an ease. You know that person and it's so much easier to work with a friend and you know. So I'm not saying कि अच्छा किसी और के साथ काम करने में कुछ गलत है. Of course, professionally होता है, but when you share a bond and when you're comfortable with a person, it's so much easier because काम feel नहीं होता. You're just working, you're having fun, and you finish the work like that. So I think that is exactly what happened. And I think he's a very good actor. And of course दोस्त अच्छा है. मैं बहुत interesting nature की लड़की हूँ. बहुत interesting. मैंने बोला तुझे इंडियन खाना है, मैं भी इंडियन खाऊंगी. सारे भी इंडियन खाएंगे. Actually.
खिला इंडियन में अपने वेरिएशन क्या मिला होगा?
भाई वहाँ खाने में भी ज़्यादा वेरिएशन नहीं चाहिए. रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल. That's it.
I am somebody who loves food. I'm so grateful. I start with thank you भगवान जी, I end with thank you भगवान जी. I'm like I do a little dance. And Avinash knows this. ठीक है, हमने कितने meals share किए हैं साथ में. And ये खाएगा and I'm like ऐसा लगता है पंचवर्षीय योजना चल रही है.
When you see the beauty shots of females, मतलब females का beauty shots बहुत दिया जाता है, and she's mind blowing in that. तो that screen presence जहाँ पे बहुत eye catchy screen presence है that she has. अभी अचानक से action की बात हुई और अभी आजकल मैं थोड़ा उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा involve हूँ martial arts वगैरह. अभी just मेरे दिमाग में आया कि पाजी why not do some action?
Yes, we should.
Action song.
मैं किडनैप होके बैठ जाऊंगी.
आइडिया मिल गया.
Hi, this is Avinash Mishra.
Hi, this is Isha Singh.
Hi, this is Ramji Gulati.
और आप हमें देख रहे हैं शुभजीत के YouTube चैनल पे. और हमारा गाना आ रहा है काला शा काला. उसको खूब सारा प्यार देना, खूब सारा सपोर्ट देना और आपस में शेयर भी करना खूब सारा.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Like, share and subscribe. Give them all the love. Thank you. Ladies and gentlemen, so गाने का नाम है काला शा काला. ये वैसा काला जादू है जिसको लेके कोई डरते नहीं है because this is the kind of black that we want in life. And इस गाने को आप लोग सिर्फ एक ही कलर देना, वो है green, because it definitely deserves the green signal. The fantastic cast over here, रामजी सर over here. सब लोग प्लीज जोर से मेरे रिक्वेस्ट पे एक बार ताली बजाओगे इनके लिए, जितने भी लोग हैं. क्या बात है, it almost feels like a house full of clapping, right? But that's actually the kind of clapping and appreciation जो virtually ever since the time you have had a fantastic journey तब से लेके अभी भी रहा है. It's been consistent, right? आप दोनों का जो friendship है उसको क्या, can I describe it as Tom and Jerry? Do you feel it is like that? क्या, what is the scenario? How do you describe your friendship as? Tom and Jerry is a good enough word for that.
It's Pooh and Piglet. They will trouble each other.
Pooh and Piglet.
Pooh and Piglet. अच्छा, it's okay. It's Tom and Jerry.
Tom and Jerry. अच्छा. So Jerry कौन है? कौन ज़्यादा कौन किसको परेशान करता है?
मैं Tom हूँ ये Jerry.
So sir ये जो दोस्ती होता है, you have utilized that so well on screen. You have brought that. मैंने गाना देखा, one of the privileged people to see it before release, of course, because you are working right now. So you have utilized that so wonderfully. Everybody is talking about the style, everybody is talking about the chemistry, and ये जो organic chemistry and जो organic bonding हो जाती है, work doesn't feel like work, right? At that point of time, आपको when you were working with them, आपको वही feel हुआ इनको देख के कि they were not really working because it feels like so connected. वैसे ही फील आया आपको?
Absolutely. I think both of them. Everybody knows they are fantastic actors and I personally love them, as you know they are very good souls.
Right.
And मुझे shoot करते करते तो इतना मज़ा आ रहा था because both of them they were so nice and ये हर शॉट मुझे एक टेक में मिल रहा था इन दोनों की. आई थिंक हाँ दे हैव एन वेरी ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. जहाँ पाजी के सोलो शॉट्स थे ही वाज सो गुड, वे ईशा वाज गिविंग ऑल दी अदाएं एंड ब्यूटी शॉट्स, शी वाज गुड. और दोनों साथ में तो मतलब फ्रेम कत्ल कर देते हैं. सो आई वाज रियली वेरी हैप्पी एंड आई एम वेरी हैप्पी काला शा काला हैज Avinash and Isha in it. Absolutely, I don't think anyone could have done it better.
This is the first, and I mean, touch wood, there will be so many more going forward, but this is the first one, right? First wala is always special in your heart, always, right? आप बाद में जब काम करोगे शायद वो वाले नाम आप याद उस टाइम पे रखो नहीं पाओगे. The first one is always very special, right? What does it mean to someone like you professionally at this stage? Because you know there's so much of love that we have gained individually. There's so much of love that we have gained because of your friendship together. What does it do to you professionally at this stage? This kind of a wonderful song.
It makes me very, very happy. It makes my heart and soul happy, and I think that is what matters when I work with these beautiful souls. It's always nice to connect with people who are on the same frequency and जिनके साथ आपकी energy match होती है. Of course, Avinash and I share a very good bond, and people have seen that. They appreciate us, they love us. But when you work with someone professionally, तो मुझे लगता है I have realized this while I'm saying कि even when we are working, we are professionals, we are very nice, of course. But when you're working with a friend, like ease आ जाता है because you know that person. You can tell that person कि you know I'm planning to do this. Is it fine with you? So I got very lucky with Ramji. He's such a beautiful, wonderful human and a good soul that it was so much nicer. He was always smiling. He was open to suggestions. Otherwise, he could have just said कि नहीं मैं ये नहीं करूँगा, मुझे नहीं अच्छा लगा. He always asked me that if I'm comfortable or not doing this or wearing something. So he made me very comfortable. So these two amazing men made this song even more amazing.
क्या बात है, you know, how sweet. If I want to ask you कि Isha the friend and Isha the co-actor, दोनों में क्या similarities है and क्या difference है which you have observed while working in this song?
Well, both irritates me a lot. दोनों मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा problem देते हैं, but still I enjoy that problem and I enjoy to deal with it because अब वैसा ही bond हो गया है. अब we can't work normally कि हाँ चलो आए set पे मिले hi how are you. No, वो trouble आएगा ही आएगा, एक दूसरे को हम irritate करेंगे ही, परेशान करेंगे, and then only it will be normal for us कि okay now I'm working with
Isha.
That's how we are working and that's how मतलब we meet and हमारा वैसा ही दिन जाता है.
So अभी जवाब आपने दिया नहीं अभी तक कि similarity क्या है और
difference. अच्छा जवाब देना.
That was the similarity.
Difference क्या है in terms of Isha the dost and Isha the actor? क्या लगता है?
Difference obviously अभी मैं देख पाया हूँ because अभी ईशा एक्टर के साथ मैं फर्स्ट टाइम काम किया हूँ. फ्रेंड तो ऑब्वियसली पूरी जर्नी में आप लोगों ने देखा है. ऑब्वियसली एज एन एक्टर अभी फर्स्ट हमारा प्रोजेक्ट है एंड आई एम ग्लैड कि हमारा बिग बॉस के बाद अभी ये फर्स्ट प्रोजेक्ट अभी ऐसे आ रहा है एंड इतना अच्छा गाना आ रहा है. तो जो एक्टर ईशा है ऑब्वियसली वो अभी उसका एक प्रोफेशनल साइड देखने को मिला जहाँ पे हमको बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑन शूट देखनी पड़ती हैं कि ओके दीस थिंग्स आर गोइंग राइट एंड वी आर ऑन टाइम एंड वी आर डूइंग एवरीथिंग इन मतलब शेड्यूल के हिसाब से. सो दैट आई रियली लाइक्ड अबाउट ईशा कि हाँ मतलब दूसरी को एक्टर्स के साथ भी काम किया जहाँ पे टाइम शेड्यूल ये सब को लेके ऊपर नीचे चीज़ें हो जाती है बट विथ ईशा इट नेवर हैपेंड.
How nice, how sweet. But do you feel कि when you're working with a friend whom you already have a great bond, it just makes work a lot more easier? Or do you feel कि यार मतलब चलो दोस्ती है तो there's a chance that you know काम करते करते थोड़ा complacent हो जाए, which is quite natural उस time पे. So what is it for you? Like do you feel कि काम और ज़्यादा आसान हो जाता है when you work?
1000%, because there's an ease. You know that person and it's so much easier to work with a friend and you know. So I'm not saying कि अच्छा किसी और के साथ काम करने में कुछ गलत है. Of course, professionally होता है. But when you share a bond and when you're comfortable with a person, it's so much easier because काम feel नहीं होता है. You're just working, you're having fun, and you finish the work like that. So I think that is exactly what happened. And I think he's a very good actor. And of course, दोस्त अच्छा है.
Of course, दोस्त अच्छा है, एक्टर भी अच्छा है, सब कुछ अच्छा है. सर जब इतना तक सब कुछ अच्छा पॉजिटिव लेके आप सेट पे जाते हो and you work and you know that you know you don't really have to give too much of importance to the you know my actors because उन लोगों के पास ऑलरेडी वो तजुर्बा है, एक्सपीरियंस है, स्किल सेट है, क्राफ्ट है to do literally anything that you ask them to do, right? You know, what does it do? Do you feel कि this is the kind of stuff that you really crave for when you are actually putting people together? Because chemistry in terms of these kind of songs लाना is the most difficult thing and audience can see through कि यार कौन सा ऐसे नकली बने में दिख रहा है और कौन सा genuine असली है. So do you feel कि when these kind of people are there, it just makes your whole life a lot more easier?
Yes, absolutely. If you do not have good artists, you know, you cannot make such a video. You need artists who are very disciplined, who are actually very good artists, very good, they're talented enough, you know, to pull it off. And I think I got the best two of them in one frame. So yeah, they're very disciplined and you know they are on time. And the best thing is, you know, they are there for each other, helping all together as a team, you know. So I loved working with Avinash and Isha. They are like a great couple, and I think the fans are going to go crazy.
Yeah,
it's beautiful. And this is the first time, you know, we mixed two folks together, Kala Shakala and Rasia. and their performance is like mind blowing. क्योंकि इनकी अगर परफॉर्मेंस कोई और आर्टिस्ट होता तो मैं ये एक दिन में वो पुल ऑफ भी नहीं कर पाता. सो आई थिंक ऑल हैट्स ऑफ टू देम दैट they're such good actors and they've done an amazing.
The moment you said one take, मतलब उसी में समझ में आ गया.
Yes, absolutely. See, if you see the video, you'll see so much of variation, and it's not just the variation. मैं काफी videos देखता हूँ वो एक ही लोकेशन पे 3 सेट बना देते हैं. हम actually move कर रहे थे. We are moving cities. We are moving from one place to another, and that is not possible when you do not get good artists with you. अगर आपका shot taking quick नहीं हुआ, then you are stuck. But because they are so good, we were able to move and do so many locations, and finally we got the video looking so good.
Kind of output that you wanted.
Yes, absolutely.
क्या so sweet बाजी.
मुझे एक चीज बताओ कि आप दोनों में से who do you think is the better dancer? मतलब each किसको आता है?
He's a very good dancer.
So did you have inputs वगैरह कि नहीं इसको ऐसे कर और ज़्यादा better आएगा? Because expressions and acting तो on spot है आप दोनों का, you know that you come from you have that experience, but dancing wise आप उनको inputs दे रहे थे कि यार ये वाला step ऐसे कर और ज़्यादा अच्छा लगेगा कैमरे में etc.
To be honest, इतना इनपुट देने की जरूरत नहीं थी. हम यहीं से रिहर्स करके गए थे जो हमारा हुक स्टेप है एंड ऑल. तो आई गेस वहाँ पे बहुत ईजिली कैचअप हो गया था. हमने 2-3 बार रिहर्सल किया एंड व्हेन द मोमेंट वी वर ऑन फ्लो बहुत ईजिली जैसा पाजी ने बोला 1 take 2 take मैक्स उसने में पूरा गाना निकल जा रहा था आराम से.
खाने को लेके कितना इशू हुआ? बिकॉज यू प्रेफर रीजनल फूड ऑफ दैट स्पेसिफिक प्लेस, एंड भाई जो है एकदम दिल से देसी है, इंडियन है, ऑलवेज प्रेफर्स इंडियन फूड ऑफ दैट टाइम. तो वो बैलेंस कितना, हाउ मच वर यू एबल टू एक्चुअली एक्सप्लोर वहां का थाईलैंड का लोकल क्विजीन? बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट श्योर इन दिस प्रेजेंस कितना कर पाए.
बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग नेचर की लड़की हूं, बहुत इंटरेस्टिंग. मैंने बोला तुझे इंडियन खाना है, मैं भी इंडियन खाऊंगी, सारे भी इंडियन खाएंगे. एक्चुअली
खिलाया इंडियन में अपने वेरिएशन क्या-क्या मिला होगा?
भाई वहां खाने में भी ज्यादा वेरिएशन नहीं चाहिए. रोटी, सब्जी, दाल, चावल, दैट्स इट.
He's very simple. Wherever he goes, he just wants dal chawal and he needs a coffee.
Dal chawal is actually the comfort food.
Yeah. I need that.
I think it's the mango sticky rice भी नहीं खाया हो, मैंने खाया. I love mango sticky rice.
You liked it, no?
Yeah.
Yes. इसका था.
But anything that specifically that is your special cuisine या delight जो आपको खाना specifically बहुत पसंद है and you really want him to try that out, ऐसा कुछ है खाना?
I think sushis.
Have you tried sushis, bro?
But that is dal chawal only.
That's कच्चा दाल चावल.
That is a different level of perspective altogether. Dal chawal sushi.
Oh my God.
That is exactly dal chawal.
He does not enjoy food. I think I am somebody who loves food. I'm so grateful. I start with thank you Bhagwan Ji, I end with thank you Bhagwan Ji. I'm like, I do a little dance. And Avinash knows this. ठीक है, हमने कितने meals share किए हैं साथ में. And ये खाएगा. And I'm like, ऐसा लगता है पंचवर्षीय योजना चल रही है कि आराम से खा के खत्म करो. I enjoy food, whatever it is. I want my food to look good. I enjoy it, and I think it is how it should be. Avinash ने भी I think वो चीज़ करी है. Now he has started enjoying.
I enjoy food, but I don't need to dance.
You don't have to dance.
I do have to
dance. गाने के लिए कर रहे हो वही काफी.
हाँ, yeah.
Ever since you have known each other, and this is the question for you both. Maybe I'll start with you. What is that one thing about her that you really feel is her strongest USP as a performing artist? And जिसके वजह से वो होता है ना कि लंबी रेस की घोड़ी, you feel that she is going to go places because of that specific characteristic or trait. And the same question goes to you too, but maybe you can answer first.
Her charm on screen is amazing. When you see her screen presence, it's very catchy. मतलब especially when you see the beauty shots of females, मतलब females का beauty shots बहुत दिया जाता है, and she's mind blowing in that. तो that screen presence जहाँ पे बहुत eye-catchy screen presence that she has.
And what do you want to say about him? Like, what is that one thing that you feel will take him places eventually in his
I think his dedication towards his work, his craft. Yeah, 100%.
कोई similarity है that in real life that you feel कि really because dosti is about that. You build a connection. There are similar traits that you really vibe on, right? What are the things that you guys really vibe on?
Can I tell you something, Shubhajit? Avinash and I are poles apart. We are poles apart. Our choices, our way of thinking, our way of processing, we are poles apart. But what makes it amazing is that there's one point, there's a mid ground where we meet and it's just so nice. Otherwise, हम बहुत अलग हैं. हमारी लड़ाइयाँ भी नहीं होती. We never fight. We are touchwood. हमारा disagreements हो सकते हैं, but in a very subtle way. मेरे अपने तरीके, उसके अपने तरीके. He respects that, I respect that. But then imagine two people being so different from each other, still they meet and there's a connection which is so nice and organic. So I think that is what makes it.
मतभेद हो जाए मनभेद ना हो. That is what.
Oh, correct.
Yeah,
That's nice.
So nicely put.
Yeah,
आप ये इसको देखो कुछ और तरीके से utilize हो सकता है. तो but then talking about bringing chemistry on screen together, bringing a nice song, the vibe is so nice, party vibe भी है, chill vibe भी है. And of course their chemistry has done complete justice to this, right? What are the kind of songs आपने एक बार उनका chemistry देख लिया, आगे जाके say for example when you want to work with them, what is the kind of vibe in terms of songs that you really want to create next? Because now you have tapped their potential, you know what these people are capable of. इनको मैं और क्या क्या करा सकता हूँ, आपको क्या लगता है?
Yes.
Good question. हम इनको जाने नहीं देंगे. Armenia, Isha Avinash. There, Isha Avinash.
That's his third song.
No, I would love to do back-to-back songs because both of them are so versatile. मुझे लगता है मुझे romantic गाना तो they will kill it and कुछ बहुत बढ़िया आने भी वाला है. And I think any segment, even if I have to do an action based कुछ करना है पाजी के जैसे करना है निशा के साथ, that also because they both of them maintain themselves so nicely.
Right.
And I think इनसे जो मर्जी करा लो, super duper hit.
क्या बात है?
Yeah.
ये said it all.
Yeah.
एक आने वाला है. What is the thing that अगर personally आप दोनों को मैं पूछूं, because you have also worked with Paji, right? एक ऐसा चीज जो genuinely you would want to have in terms of inputs कि चलो ये गाने में हमने exotic locations पे shoot किया, this is the kind of song that's there, we have danced, we have done this. Next time अगर करेंगे तो ऐसा कुछ करेंगे तो मजा आएगा. You have any ideas in your mind at this point of time?
Because अभी अचानक से एक्शन की बात हुई और अभी आजकल मैं थोड़ा उसमें बहुत ज़्यादा इन्वॉल्व हूँ मार्शल आर्ट्स वगैरह. अभी जस्ट मेरे दिमाग में आया कि पाजी व्हाई नॉट डू सम एक्शन.
Yes, we should.
एक्शन सॉन्ग.
मैं किडनैप होके बैठ जाऊंगी.
Idea मिल गया. Isha has been kidnapped. Ash comes to the rescue like a rock solid hero. That is the kind of superstar vibe that you.
Oh yeah.
It can be a nice heartbreaking song also.
Yeah.
दिल मतलब fans सुनते हैं उनको दिल.
Song heartbreaking है but visually
Ending
action.
अच्छा होना चाहिए.
Visually action.
Ending happy होना चाहिए.
Ending happy होना चाहिए. That is because वो बोलते थे कि picture अभी बाकी है.
Yes, absolutely.
Last question. Time की कमी है of course. One last question that I would want to ask all three of you. It's very satisfying when your work comes out and people will appreciate it, people will like it. But then feedback को आप लोग कैसे लेते हो in real life? Because some people get very bogged down with feedback. अगर कुछ वो negative feedback आए तो some people take it to their heart. उसको strength बना के जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ते हैं, right? How are you people individually? आप लोग feedback को कैसे लेते हो in life?
मुझे लगता है कि हम जो भी करते हैं like music is our baby, like how we do a video, it's a first video together, हमारा बच्चा होता है, हम इससे बहुत प्यार करते हैं. We all love what we do, and हमारी expectation हमेशा is high from ourselves and from the audience that they are going to love it and all. And I think with all our experiences we've done our very best for the song, and I think the audience will love it. But I think more important in life, we all need to be consistent, and हम अपनी कोशिशें करते रहेंगे. I think we will win or we will learn. हम हारने वाले नहीं हैं. So we are always going to keep doing, and I think this is going to be an amazing song, and people are going to love Avinash and Isha, and the song is also so nice. And I would like to thank Desi Tadka Music, for bringing all of us together. Thank my entire team, from Urti Akhar Paji to Rahul Paji, Amit, Varun Paji, everybody involved with us, throughout the shoot. Because without a good team, it's not possible.
वो consolidated effort दिखता है in terms of the way they look, the way they have worked, the scenario, art direction से लेके everything, the scenes, the background, everything. It's a consolidated effort वो दिखता है, right? जाते जाते आप दोनों के लिए you both have really individual strong fan following, and आप दोनों का दोस्ती का एक अभिषा fan following भी है. वो literally send messages to everyone, because हम लोग ने भी पोल किया था, आप लोग को भी आए. सवाल तो ऐसे नहीं ले सकते, but they just said कि हमारे लिए कुछ message please आप उन दोनों से पूछना है. So what would be your message to Abhisha fans and your fans जो लोग आपको इतना प्यार देते हैं consistently, like Paji mentioned, which is such an integral part of an artist's life, right?
Well, it means a lot यार. बहुत अच्छा fandom है, and I think we all are blessed कि इतना loyal fandom मिला है, and they support us in every way जितना possible है. So thank you so much for all the love, and what I can promise you guys कि as an artist I'll keep working hard and I'll make sure कि मैं आपको ऐसे entertain करता रहूँ, and अपने honesty के साथ I'll keep on working.
How sweet. Isha, from your end?
You know, I was wondering that I used to think that I'm good with words, but then when it comes to what do I tell them, I always fall short of words, because thank you is such a small word to what they do and how much love they give us. So I'm genuinely grateful, and I'm not saying this for the sake of saying it. I really mean it with all of my heart and soul. But they're just such nice people, you know. They are there for us and they love us no matter what. So it really means a lot. And like Avinash mentioned, that we will keep trying to be there for you, keep working hard and keep working on our craft, and we'll try to provide you as much as we can. So thank you.
Thank you so much, ladies and gentlemen. Kala Shakala is the song that's the vibe of the moment right now. Enjoy karo, chill karo, relax karo, enjoy karo. Jiske saath enjoy karna hai karo, lekin karo. That is the most important thing. Give them all the love that they deserve, because they have worked very hard for each and every recognition that they get today. Thank you so much. That's a wrap on the Sunny Easy show. लेकिन उसके पहले जाते मैं आप तीनों के लिए थोड़ा सा तोहफा लेके आया हूँ. Can I have the gift hampers, please?
Oh, sweet. शुभजीत मेरी नजर पहले से उसमें थी. ऐसे गिफ्ट हमारे लिए.
ये तो मेरा है.
So this is something that I want to give to you.
Thank you, bhai. Thank you so much. Means a lot.
For you, and ये आपको एक और बहुत जल्दी मिलने वाला है.
भाई इसी को.
I'm personal biased है शुभजीत मेरे लिए. Biased है शुभजीत.
आप देख लो. I mean जो भी है. But then thank you so much, guys, and give them all the love. And that's a wrap on the Sunny Easy show. This is your host Shubhajit. I'll see you all in another interesting episode very soon. Thank you so much. God bless. Take care. Stay safe, and thank you.